Hey guys, today I'll be showing you 7 text effects that is going to make your edits viral.
So for making the first text effect, put fractal noise on your text layer, fractal noise, and put tritone on your text layer and use this value. For the contrast, put 200, and for the brightness put -18, and I'll be choosing orangish red color, and I'll be pre-combing this, and I will put my essential text glow that I will be providing in the description, and go to the tint 75 on the mix value and select soft light and put tick mark. If you want more lightish kind of vibe, just put 50. For the second effect, you need universe plugin. Type uni.chromatic aberration and put 0.8 and pre-comb this text layer. I'll be changing the text font because it doesn't look that good, so I'll be using this. Pre-comb it and put the same glow settings on it. I'll be copying this one and uncheck the color. For the third effect, type s_texture plasma and put the color to red and put the glow brightness to 6, phase speed to 0.7, and duplicate this layer and remove the text effect and make this text effect into a stroke. I'll be using 1.8. Pre-comb both of them and add the same glow settings that I will be providing in the description and check mark this so it looks clean. So for the third effect, type texture cells and put this, and for the black color put red and the frequency to 22 and pre-comb the text. Put the same glow settings as before that I will be providing in the description. You can use the tint if you want. And for the third effect, change your text color to red or blue and add CC light sweep and put arrow to here, maybe here, and I will be changing the values to 25 and the edge intensity to 60. Click the clock option on the center and go to about 5 seconds or so and drag until the text is over. So pre-comb the text and add Bevel alpha and put the edge thickness to 1 so it looks clean. So now add the same text glow settings as before. You can uncheck the tint if you want so it looks clean. So for the final effect, I'll be sharing an image of a texture. Add the texture to your text and scale it down till it fits the text layer. Add curves to the texture and drag it like this. And add tritone for the color. I'll be using red. And add the matte to text. So pre-comb both of them. Add s_emboss. And change the value till it looks good. Add bevel edges. Put it to 1. Add deep glow. Make the value really low. Now add BCC ray puffy and center the texture. Make the intensity 200 and the ray length to 10. I'll be leaving the same color because I use the red color. Add the same text glow as before. So it looks something like this. You can tone down the deep glow if you want. I will be putting 0.0, 0.5. Now add hue and make the saturation more for the reddish tone, and that's it. This is how it looks.